This is the Smartboard MX, our intelligent all-in-one multitasking display. The MX comes with built-in IQ, our Android computing experience, and Google EDLA, giving you instant access to all of your favorite teaching tools, apps, and resources. With IQ, students can connect with no extra apps or downloads needed. Just scan a code or click a link, and they're ready to contribute ideas in real time. It also enjoys powerful interoperability with Windows, Mac, and Chrome OS, ensuring you get Smart's industry-leading touch and inking across operating systems. The MX's object awareness lets multiple users write with a pen, move objects, and erase with their palm. No tool switching, no interruptions. It just knows. And with Smart Ink, everyone can write directly on apps, websites, and documents without freezing the screen or breaking their flow. That means your notes stay exactly where you left them. That's something only Smart can do. With the MX, teachers can save time and sign into their own IQ profile to unlock personalized workspaces, complete with bookmarks, lessons, and cloud drives. Enhance lessons by opening your files from Drive, dropping in ready-made content, and marking up apps like Google Slides or games. You can even capture and share with your learners on the fly. The MX makes it easy to make anything interactive, and for students to get hands-on with their learning, all without leaving the whiteboard. That means less time planning and more time engaging. The MX isn't just for teachers. Celebrated by administrators, the MX is built to stay in the classroom and out of the landfill for the next decade of teaching. That means fewer replacements, less e-waste, and less administrative burden cycling through new products every few years. With energy-saving features and green procurement standards, it saves you money and gives you long-term value. When you do feel it's time to upgrade, a new OPS module can transform even older smartboards into a feels-like-new powerhouse. The Smartboard MX is easy to use right out of the box. And behind the scenes, included admin tools gives your IT team full control from a single dashboard where you can manage, monitor, and support your display no matter where you are. But we don't stop there. With your purchase, you get full access to the Smart Academy, a professional learning hub that combines pedagogy-focused teaching strategies with hands-on tech training, so educators get the tools and support they need to make the most of their display. So, if you're looking for an interactive display that is easy to use and is built for multitasking magic, the Smartboard MX can help you plan and deliver lessons that keep learners hooked. Learn more at smarttech.com.